Hello everybody, how are we all? This one now, obviously an extra video. It's part of that 3 for £10, the two I done yesterday. And this one is today. We're going to be doing a salmon, broccoli and pea risotto. Part 3 for £10 from Iceland, or that was $3.75 on its own, I think, or $3.50. Well, I got them 3 for a tenner anyway. So let's have a look at it. Let's get it cooked and let's have a little taste. Okay, so we've got Iceland salmon, broccoli and pea risotto. Meals in minutes, cooked from frozen. It serves to can stir fry it or you can air fry it. I'm just going to stir fry it. Well, I'll just put it in the pan. Glasses. Best cooked from frozen, follow the instructions as guideline only. Place in a wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Cut the top of the bag, add the product, mix to the pan. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently. Reduce the heat if necessary. Increase the heat and stir frequently to reduce liquid. There we go, where's the ingredients? Have yourselves a look at that, guys. Some pink Pacific salmon there, 90% as it say. And the nutrition, if you want to have yourselves a mooch. Right, let me get my pan heated up. And then we'll get it in. Right, we'll get a bit of oil in the old pan. And we will open the risotto up. I do like a bit of risotto. I haven't had a risotto for a long time. Let's open it up so you can have a look. I don't know if you'll be able to see much until we get it in there. There it is. I'm not going to do it all anyway because it's only me, because if it's nice I can always have some as a spare, if you get me. Put about half a bag in. That's it there, look. Salmon pieces, they look quite nice salmon pieces, don't they? And all we'll do, we'll just fry it up for, what is it, 12 to 15 minutes till it's all nice and soft and that. Okay guys, we're done. Took about 12 minutes, it's nice and creamy. I've just been stirring it gently, so try not to break it all apart. And it smells really nice. Well, it's all in the taste, isn't it? It's all in the taste. There it is, look. Right, let's dish it up. So, what do you think? All in all to start with. Let's get it in here. Nice bowl of risotto, salmon and pea and broccoli. You could have put some butter in there, I suppose, to make it even creamier or whatever. And there it is. Right, let's have a taste. So, have you had this one before from Iceland? Oh, here comes our Rox. Hello, Rox. It smells nice. I do like a bit of risotto. I don't think I've ever made risotto on the channel. I might have to do that one day. Not bad. Nice bit of salmon. Nice and simple. That's gagging. I think you can smell the fish. Do you want some of this, Bab? No, thank you. I'm just going to stick a bit of pepper on. Do like a bit of pepper, not a lot, just a bit. Quite like that, to be honest with you. For quick convenience, does 2 of you. 15 minutes, well, it took about 12, that did, altogether. For something nice and simple, for a meal, I don't think you can go wrong. Yes, you can make better if you use all your own ingredients, can't you? Of course you can. For something nice and cheap. I don't think it's done too bad, because got that nice little crunch on the old broccoli. Got your salmon, which is good for you. Your peas. I'll definitely buy that again. I think I will, and I'll put some in the freezer for when I want it. So there you go, guys. Part of me 3 for 10. The other 2 I done yesterday. I'll put it up on that eye, wherever it is, wherever it goes, up here somewhere, if you haven't seen it. Right, I've got to get on to my next video in a minute. Prepare all that for tonight. So, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.